The one that I'm going to show you how to get, you will not get wrong because they'll be fresher and younger. Hello, welcome to Amuna Foods. Today we are going to show you how to select the right okra. Come with me. So guys, it is very important to select the right kind of okra because the ones that are maturing are very full of fibers. It's hard and you won't enjoy. But the one that I'm going to show you how to get, you will not get wrong because they'll be fresher and younger. Yeah, so this is how I do it. What you do is, yeah, you see that one? When you snap it like that, it's good. So you put it in your bag. See, this is good. These are really fresh. All the ones that are breaking are good. See, you don't have to worry about that. Yeah. Just make sure that you don't break and leave it, put it back there because it's not right. So the one, if you try and it doesn't break, leave it, put it back. But when it breaks like that, this is good. You just keep taking. Take until you get the amount that you want. So this one here, it looks mature. You can see the seeds have really grown and are kind of bulging. And although it broke, you can actually tell it's not that fresh, even though, yeah. But the ones that are very green are the good ones. I think we are nearly kind of there. I'll take two more. These are actually quite good because they're all breaking, which is really good. You see, if you try to break and you struggle, then don't take it. So for me, I will take enough, and I've not broken any drop back. So this is how you can select the bright kind of okra, fresh okra. Do subscribe to our channel, give comments, and share with others. God bless.
Lega pamusa, ugonyo joy Sarael, no ba penino ba.